questions. So those questions is simple and easy, so that is a work. So I shared the solution there in the group. So the first question there states, given that u is equal to what? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, where x is what? Is a even number in u, and y is prime numbers in u, and z -2, 3. So -2, 3 and 5 and 6. Perform the operation x. So you want x union what? Y. So you want x union y. So what is x union y? First we will start listing the element for x. So we said x is the even number in u, so even number in this element, which is u. So universal set. So universal set, we have -2. What is the even number? So these are numbers which are divisible by 2, include 0. So which is negative what? So which is negative. So -2, 0, 0, 2, which are divisible by 2, which are divisible by 2, 2, 4, and what? 6. According to the universal set, that is the even numbers in what? In u. Yes. And why we know why the prime numbers, and they state y is equal to what? Y is the prime numbers in u. So prime numbers, these are numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. So here prime numbers, they should not be 0, negatives, 1 by itself, and 1, it is not a prime number. So it is 2, 3, 3 and what? 3, 3 and 5. The last is what? 7. Yes. So that is what? X union. Now they want x union what? X union. So x union what? X union z. Yes. So x union what? Z. So union start negative what? -2, 0. Then we go to 2. Then 3, 4, which is 4, 5, and 5, 5, 6, 7. Because union, it is to list all members which are in x and u. So that is the solution. That is the solution of x union y. Now let's go to the second question, which is x intersection y complement. Yes, so we know x intersection y complement. So use these two sets which you have listed. So these two sets which we have listed, which is x and y. So list x union y. So x intersection what? So according here it is x intersection. So here is x. So now we'll go proceed in answering the question. Let's delete first, because the question there says x intersection what? X intersection y z. So what is common between x and y? So x intersection what? Y. So we know x intersection y. What is common between these two elements? So negative what? -2 is not common. It's just what? 2. 2 here, 2 is common here. What other element? We just 2. So only 2. Then what is complement? X intersection y. Then complement. Now we just list the universal set where 2 we compare to the universal set. So it is -2, which is -1, 0, 1, 2 will not put, will not include 2, so we'll go to 3. So 3 will go 4, 5, 5 and what? 6 and what? 7. The last one. Yes. So that's so it's simple. -2, -1, 0. That is the complement. That's all. That is the answer. Now let's go x intersection. Here we go to the question 3 here, which is x intersection y union y over z. We go to y over z. So y over what? So go y over what? Y over z. So we'll start with yes. So we'll start with x or y over z. So y over z, which means they want elements which are found in y, not in z. So we substitute or we divide all elements to cancel which are found in what? In y. So what are we don't want elements which are found in y. We just want only elements which are found in y but not in what? In z. So we'll substitute or we'll remove all elements which are found in z. Now let's answer. So y, so y, they said y is 2, 3, 5, 7. Then z is what? Z, we know it is -2, 3, 5, and 6. So 3, because 3 it is. So this 3 will not include when you compare here to this set. So this is the set we are using. So now z, yes. So we remove this 3. Yes, 3. Then also if the 5 and also there is 5 there, we'll remove 5 and also 5. So the element which are remaining is what? 2 and D. So the element which are remaining is what? Only 2 and 7. Yes. So element which are remaining, which is 2 and 7. So that is the answer for that is the answer for y over z. So 2 comma z. Now the question they want us is the intersection y. So x intersection what? Y over z. That's all. So x intersection this. So what is the common element with this x? With this. So this is x. So which is x intersection y over z. So intersection and x, so we find this common element between this and this. So what are the common element? So -2, 2. So just only 2 and 2. So the answer is what? Is 2, only 2. So the answer is only 2. The intersection part is only 2. That is the final answer. Now let's go to the last question, cardinality. So this question they said to find what? The cardinality. So the cardinality, as the document which I've already sent, it states that it is the number of elements. We just count the number of elements, that is the cardinality. It's just the number of the set of the element. That is the cardinality. Yes. So that is the cardinality, the number of elements. So when you look at there, we want x union y. So x union y, we just write those two elements, x. So write x So x union what? Y is equal to what? So just this, all these elements starting with -2, then 0, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, so 6, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So that's so it is simple. So now we count the element. The cardinality is just to count the element. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the final answer is so -2. So here -2. So -2, 0, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3. So -2, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so 5, and also what we have left 6, and also 6 here. So now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8 element. That's the cardinality. Right, 8 element. That was the final answer. So those questions, they are simple. So we end here for today's lesson.